Hello friends, this model is to demonstrate and to show how rainwater harvesting can be done and how to generate electricity from rainwater. To assemble this model, we have used one wooden base, one building made of cartoon, plastic tray, water tank, tap, two plastic containers, plastic transparent tray, belt and wheel, generator motor, landscaping material, paints brown and black, street lights made of straw and LEDs, sand, gravel, sand, charcoal, gravel is used here to show rainwater harvesting, and one valve, PVC pipe. Now let's see the working. As soon as rain falls on the terrace, water from there goes to the tank, and from that tank tap is connected. When tap is opened, water falls on the belt and wheel. Now you can see water falling. You can see once I switch on the tap, water is falling. Thank you for watching the video.